We've figured out the activity rates. Now, what do we do with them? These rates are used to apply overhead to products as they are made and are included in the total product cost. Remember, product cost consists of three costs: direct materials, direct labor, and factory overhead. This is how we get the factory overhead part into the product cost. Here are the activity rates we calculated in a previous example. Let's use these and apply overhead to some products. We've been working on 5,000 units of our products and finished them this month. We want to apply overhead to these products. To do that, we need to know how these products used each of our activities. Here are our activities and their related activity rates. Here's how the products we made used these activities while they were being produced. We will apply overhead by taking the activity rate and multiplying it by the activity use. For production orders, we will take $564.10 and multiply it by 50. This means we will apply $28,205 in total overhead based on this activity. We will do the same thing for all other activities. When we are finished, we have applied all the overhead for those products made. We can now calculate total overhead and the per unit overhead. Total overhead is the total of all the applied overhead for each activity. For our example, this equals $3,634,013. We made 5,000 units. Therefore, the per unit cost is $726.80. You just divide the total applied manufacturing overhead by the number of units. We can take our total and per unit overhead amounts and calculate total product cost and unit product cost. Again, product cost consists of three items: direct materials, direct labor, and overhead. Assume total direct materials equals $8,176,500 and total direct labor equals $6,359,500. We calculated total overhead as $3,634,013. Therefore, the total product cost, just add those up, is $18,170,013. We can also look at the per unit numbers. We can take each of these numbers and divide them by the number of units we produced to get a per unit amount. The number of units is 5,000. Therefore, our per unit amounts are $1,635.30 for direct materials, $1,271.90 for direct labor, and $726.80 for overhead, which we had already calculated. Our total unit product cost is $3,634. Yes! You did it! You learned another costing method and way to calculate product costs.